Soca, this is the place we need to be right now if you love soca music. So say all I uno, me I put the start of the video. Guys, if you love soca music, subscribe to the channel right now and watch a full video and comment your favorite soca song right now. Boom, 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 boom. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. I'm back with another video for you guys. So right now, people, we're going over the carnival side. We're going over the carnival side of the Caribbean right now. We react to all Caribbean music over here. So I've been telling you guys, yo, we're finna touch on carnival, but I was kind of waiting until carnival start. But me say carnival cancel. Well, supposedly. So we don't know, but you know what? I'm gonna bring carnival to y'all. Okay, I know my energy different, right? So if it's different, well, I'm gonna talk to the rap, you know. Watch the comments. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. So post every single video over here. So that's a good reason to subscribe to the channel too. Get us to 50k. You understand me? Thank you for 30,000 subscribers. It means a lot to the boy. It means whole heap to the boy. You know me I say? Yeah! I'm normally looking pretty up on the TV screen, the phone screen, the laptop screen, anything wanna watch a reaction boss. Pan. You know why? Thanks to you, but you messing man. Well, this one is called The Road by Machel Montano. You understand me? Ex Ashanti. You see me, I say it's a 2019 song. I was gonna put a poll on Instagram and say which one I should react to first. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I am not like that. What you call yourself? Carnival people. Like, I've never been to carnival before. You understand me? But I really want to get into it, and I was trying to go to Carnival Trinidad next year, 2021. Sadly, can't. But you know what? Let's chat things. Because see what go on. You know how me serious when it comes to females and the females of the video with the big body them. Yo! I was really waiting on carnival, you know, the season. But you know what? Drop your favorite carnival song down below in the comment section. We'll find a react to them music right now. We're gonna have carnival on the channel. Oh, my sound. Yes, I know my sound good. So because we are going for the road right now. If your favorite song, just tear up the like button. You know what? Just like the video if you don't want more carnival reaction. That's all I have to say to you. That's all I have to say to you. Big up your one buck up yourself. Now you have vote for. Yo! Red tune! Whoa!
I wanna jump up on it. I wanna jump up on it. I wanna jump on it.
This is a whole different experience already. Me get already. I'm a first carnival with this I go react to. And from the start of the video, I look on her. Watch her. Because just attack me with it.
I wanna
attack
jump
with the
up
feet. Watch that.
I wanna jump up on it. I wanna jump on it.
It's some type of her underpants. No, but underpants. Some may put on underpants. What kind of man maybe? But some type on her drawers, her shorts, cheap. No, I just
I feel a vibe, I feel the energy, feel so alive.
Hey. Sorry, ladies, I'm sorry, but me I go look, and me I go talk. Cause me see boobies are jumping for the top of my night. If me see breasts are jumping in front of me, how me I go do? Look away, you mad? Me I look, go on.
To me, and every time you take me to ecstasy, you give me reason for life.
Just wanna jump on you, just wanna wave on you,
Yeah.
just wanna take off all my clothes and
What's on the original? What's on the original?
jump in a band.
See that? We're not saying nothing. We're just easy. We're having a vibe, you know. I didn't do or say anything yet. You understand? All right. I did not do or say anything yet. Make sure so not see the I and I right, you know. I didn't do or say anything yet. So what she so what go on.
Just wanna jump on you, just wanna wave on you, just wanna take off all my clothes and expose on you. I wanna wine on you, jump in a band on you. Oh Lord, I just can't leave you alone. I'm so in love with the road, jumping up on the road, the road.
But think I change just straight soca music. Make all the carnival music. Me fool. Me I change to straight soca reactions because you know me likes it over there already, and then I'm afraid for twerk when it comes to the soca. Then I'm afraid for shake up them body. I love that. I love it already. They want viewers to watch anything on my post. You know what go on right now, you know something I'm an element right now, Go on!
Up on the road, so in love with the road. Just jump up on it. I wanna jump on it.
want to react to some soca music. And that's why we want to react to some soca music. And this day, father, that's the reason why I'm here. And this way, we start react to soca music. And that me there for. And that me want to see. And I hit me and see. Look me and look. Look.
Never alone when you are right by my side. Don't want to go home, 'cause you are my ride or die. You make me do some things that I can't deny. I have to testify.
Just wanna jump on you, just wanna wave on you.
You think so?
Just wanna take off on me.
Hey, what the fuck? Hey. You see, she right to have up and I wish she have money for the artists that I would have come, you know, I'm not familiar with the artists them. I have to go to make research and think. But yo, she this time she had jump with them. I want to stand up and she jump on her, she jump on him. I want to some race. Race himself and she jump the big body boy. Oh,
Cause I'm exposed on you. I wanna wine on you. Jump in a bag on you. Oh Lord, I just can't leave you alone. I'm so in love with the road. The road, jumping up on the road. The road, walking up on the road. The road, so in love with the road.
Soca. This is the place we need for me right now for love soca music. So say all I know, I put the start of the video. Guys, if you love soca music, subscribe to the channel right now and watch the full video and comment your favorite soca song right now. This is the place we need for me. Run through.
The road, just have to jump up on it. On it. Just have to stamp up on it. I want to walk up on it. Play a mass on it.
I wanna give you all of me, oh baby. Let the sunshine on my body. I wanna run on you, travel all over the world. You can take me anywhere, wherever you go, I'll go. I wanna ride on you, I wanna ride on you.
Come, give me more
I
waiting.
wanna spend all of
Forward. Come ride. Come. Yeah, wait. Reaction boss, my name. But, you see for today, we name Soca boss. You see me got carnival, them a call me flying dagger because every girl I get wine pan. Every one of them I get dagger. Them a call me flying dagger. Flying dagger, them a go call me. Watch them got carnival. Go on.
time on you. I wanna roll on you, take control on you. I wanna do it all over you. Travel all over the globe.
Yeah.
Anywhere you go, I'll go. Follow you all over the world.
Just wanna jump on you, just wanna wave on you. Just wanna take off all my clothes and expose on you.
Yeah.
I wanna wine on you. Jump in a
Take off all my clothes and expose and them want jump on. Yo, baby. Yo, people. Like the video. If you're watching the video right now, you know, like the video, please like the video so the video get recommends to more people. You understand me? Who like soca. Make them find out about the reaction boss. Share the video with your friend if you know see your friend are gonna laugh just like how you laugh right now. Drop some fire emoji in the comment section. That's my number one comment. If you have nothing to say, just comment some fire emojis. You understand me? Help the video get recommends to more people. Bring a goal like soca people them over here. So right now, this is gonna be carnival on YouTube. Screenshot, screen record, tag your artists, them. You don't know a chap. Run through.
Oh Lord, I just can't leave you alone. I'm so in love with the road.
Oh, we have to analyze that booby. Normally analyze the booty, but we have to analyze them booby there because that booby there, that booby there big blue.
Wine on you, jump in a band on you. Oh Lord, I just can't leave you alone.
Now, you tell me say them the real. Oh Lord, help us. Jesus, take the wheel. Go on, yeah, man.
Love with the road, jumping up on the road. The road, walking up on the road. The road, so in love with the road. The road, start to jump up on it. Just have to stamp up on it. I wanna jump on it. I want to walk up on it.
Yo, we know what I don't like to do.
Play a mass on it.
Doctor, we don't have a lighter. I've done like that, you know me? I've done like that, but not no more. We have black rock. Yeah. Me watch the video till it done. People, that was the first ever carnival, well, soca music reaction. And if you don't want more, just comment the carnival song in the comment section. Tell the reaction boss which one you like. Them are forward. You come look pretty on the screen, man. Bumbo clat. I mean that. I can't mean that. Yo, you know what? Subscribe to the channel, thank you for checking out my video. You understand me? I'm more upset the people for the dance hall and but they do carnival already, they do soca already, you know, but more upset hold on. I don't like the energy. I'm gonna subscribe for so. Go and subscribe. 50k we are go for now. We are go for 100k now. This is the #1 channel in the entire Caribbean if you didn't know. You understand me? Straight out of Jamaica, but represent the whole place, the whole Caribbean. Thing large. Peace.